Hey future home sellers, ready to transform your space into a buyer's dream without breaking the bank? Well, you're in luck today. I'm sharing the ultimate guide. Ever wonder why some homes sell like hotcakes while others linger on the market? It's all about presentation, and I've got the hacks to make your home irresistibly charming. First up, let's talk about the power of pillows and throws. Transform your sofa from meh to wow by adding vibrant pillows. Soft textures and pops of color instantly elevate the room's vibe. Next, declutter like a pro. Less is always more. Store away personal items and create a clean, minimalistic look. Buyers want to envision their own life in your space. Now, furniture arrangement matters. Create cozy conversation areas that highlight your home's best features. Think symmetry, balance, and flow. Your space should feel inviting and spacious. But wait, there's more. Lighting, artwork, and fresh flowers. Oh my! I'll spill all the secrets to make your home look like it jumped out of a magazine. Get ready to amaze potential buyers and secure top dollar for your property. Now, if you found these tips helpful, do me a favor, hit that like button, share this video with a friend who's thinking about selling their home, and let's create a staging revolution together. Your dream buyer's out there, and I'm here to help you catch their eye. Stay tuned for more game-changing real estate advice and DIY tips. Follow and subscribe for all the inspiration to help you sell your home like a pro. Happy staging, everyone. Bye.